Hello everyone, my name is Sanat and I want to share how I use AI to generate code. Currently I'm working on a game about magic, action and lots of spells. Each spell requires its own script, which can take a long time to write. Previously I copied existing code to ensure the new generated code fit perfectly into its place and used all available functionality. To streamline this, I created a tool called Code Generator. For example, I can select all abilities from the abilities folder, where each ability is represented by a unique script with its logic. To generate a functional script, I provide the script logic in the tool. Let's say I want to create a new ability called Fire Explosion that causes an explosion around the character. When I press Generate, Code Generator sends a generation request to Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet model, and the prompt is automatically copied to the clipboard. The validator agent uses GPT-4o Mini, which is very cost-effective. Now let's review the generated code. Let's import the missing namespace. It's missing because I forgot to include that class in the prompt. By automating code generation, I save time and enhance consistency across the project. The tool has proven invaluable not only for creating abilities but also for improving editor features and streamlining workflows. That's all for now. Please specify your tasks in more detail, clearly indicating the classes where logic needs to be added or modified. Don't forget to input the case for Anthropic and OpenAI. They are not transmitted anywhere and remain locally on your computer. I hope this tool boosts your productivity tenfold.